Hi, welcome to the History Archives. My name is Talha. In the last video, we knew about the Sultan Murad, how he transformed the force into the personal army. Today, you will get to know about the Mehmed the Conqueror, commonly known as Sultan Muhammad Fateh. Mehmed II, called the Conqueror, was born in March 30, 1432 in Adarne. As a Sultan of the Ottoman Empire between 1444 to 1446 and then 1451 to 1481, he extended the empire's control from southeastern Europe to Danube, which is called Roman Empire's river, and from Anatolia to the Euphrates River. His father, Murad II, tried to abdicate when Mehmed was only 12 years old. But in the wake of his son's unsuccessful first reign, the father returned to power. Then comes to the conquest of Constantinople. In modern day, we will call it Istanbul. In 1453, the young Sultan commanded the military squad positioned for the assault. He gave the order to attack at midnight inside the city. While the soldiers positioned for war, people filled with churches, the Ottoman army launched its assault accompanied by a commemoration of God and the beats of drum. The first bombardment was performed by the infantry and cannons, and it was followed by Anatolian soldiers. When 300 Anatolian soldiers were martyred, the Janissaries started their attack with the presence of Sultan Mehmed. The Ottoman army was motivated and chest-to-chest fight started. Meanwhile, the young soldier called Hasan, who first erected the Ottoman's flag on Byzantine's land fortress, was martyred. Upon the entrance of Janissaries from Belgrade Gate and the surrender of the last defender in the Adarne front gate, the Byzantine's defense collapsed. Abandoned by his soldiers, the Emperor Constantine was killed during the confrontation. Turkish forces entered from every direction and crushed the Byzantine forces completely. Towards noon, Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror entered the city. He went directly to the Hagia Sophia church and ordered it to convert into a mosque and provide security to the captives of the city. After years of successful reigns of conquest, in 1481, Mehmed marched with the Ottoman army to capture Rhodes and southern Italy. But upon reaching Maltepe, Istanbul, he became ill. Mehmed the Conqueror was the seventh Sultan in the Ottoman dynasty. Died in May 1481 at the age of 49, and he was buried in his tomb near Fateh Mosque complex. Thanks for watching. In the next part of video, we will get to know about the Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, that how he recaptured the Jerusalem